motion, slow motion. So here's our clip right here. As you can see, it's in fast motion, and the way that we got it in fast motion is we grab it right here and hit our central key and left mouse, hold it and put it back here. So if we wanted to go to slow motion, we would central, click on left mouse and hold them both together and drag it out here, and then we now have slow motion. So if we wanted to speed it up, we would do the reverse of that. We'd grab it right on the end right here. We'd hit our central, hold it, left mouse, hold it, come back, shrink it, come down here, and we now have fast motion. So that's your fast and slow motion on Vegas Pro 16. And I hope this tutorial has helped somebody today. Fairly new at this. I'm pretty excited about making some videos. Hope this helps somebody.